Hi guys, today we're going to make ranch. Now, I live overseas. Currently, I live in the country of Ukraine and there is no ranch here. So we have to make it ourselves. And once you will taste this, I promise you, you will not go back to the bottled stuff. First of all, because this is healthy, you control the ingredients, you control the sugar, salt, everything else. In the summertime, use fresh herbs, it will taste even better. So let's go ahead and put the herbs together. This is some parsley, dill weed, I have some oregano and black pepper. This is granulated garlic, granulated onion. I'm gonna add some salt, just a pinch of salt, don't put too much. And go ahead and just mix it in. Now, just take your favorite jar and put it in the jar. Now we have this dry spice that you can store for several months. But let's go ahead and make some ranch. Now I have about a cup of mayo here, and I will add about a tablespoon of the dry mixture. You can use more, less. You can adjust this to your liking. And I will add enough buttermilk to make it somewhat runny, not too runny. Like I said, the beauty of any recipes is you can adjust them to your liking. I'm gonna add just a little bit more. I added about half a cup of buttermilk, and this looks really delicious. With the same mixture, you can do a dip. All you do is just add the same dry mixture, about a tablespoon, into about a cup of sour cream, and there's your ranch dip. But this ranch is beautiful, delicious. It will store in your refrigerator up to 2 weeks. But it is very good. It will be gone before then.